Hey guys, so here in our main.py, we're gonna add another process to our pipeline. We're gonna call this pipeline finalizer. So what this does is this is gonna check if the final video was created. Then if successfully created, we're gonna delete all the temporary segment videos that we have in this folder. So it's just like cleanup. Okay, so let's proceed. So inside the app, we're gonna create pipeline. Then we're gonna put inside that our pipeline finalizer. We're gonna add a new file, check file video.py. There we're gonna import OS. So we're gonna final video valid. So this accepts a parameter of output file, the location of our output. So checks if the file video exists and it's not empty. So first, if not, os.path that exists out file. Okay, so we're doing two things. We are checking if the OS path exists, and if the file size, we're gonna check also if it is not 0, because sometimes it will be corrupted. And if these two validation succeeds, we're gonna print our file video is valid. Next, we're gonna add another file. We're gonna call this cleanup.py. It's much better to call this temp because this is specifically for our temp. So we're gonna import OS, import shutil. So what this does is this is gonna check for file exists, our OS, and shutil is used for deleting contents and directories. So we're gonna define our cleanup temp directory. This accepts a parameter of the location of our temp segments. Okay, so we need only delete the temporary directory. Okay, we're gonna need to delete only the contents of the temporary segments directory, but not the directory itself. So first, we're gonna need to check if OS path exists. If yes, we're gonna print, then return. This is much better if not. Okay, so we're gonna try catch this. Okay, you just need to add another print. Clean up successfully. So what this does is this checks if the file item path is existing. If it is a file, we're gonna delete that. But if it's not a file, we're gonna remove the sub directories inside. But still, temp segments directory is still okay. Will not be deleted. Lastly, we're gonna add the exception. Lastly, we're gonna make a call for these two files we created, finalize pipeline. So finalize the pipeline by adding necessary steps to ensure the output video is properly formatted.